Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. In this video I'm going to show you how can you use Threads app. So first of all, just go to your Threads app. Now in the Threads app, the first thing you will see people sharing threads all over the world. You can just give them a love or give a comment here, or you can just share these threads to your story, your feed, or you can share these to your friends. Now just click the bottom second, the search icon. Now in the search icon you will see people who have Threads account all over the world. Now click the bottom middle icon here. By clicking this, you can start a thread. You can also share photos or videos by clicking this icon, and you can share your photos or videos from your gallery. Now just click the bottom fourth icon, the love icon, and by clicking this icon you will see your followers and people whom you might follow. Now just click the bottom last icon. From here you can just edit your profile or share your profile. You can also go to settings by clicking the top right, the 2 dash icon. You can also log out from here, the last icon here you can see log out. So guys, that's how you can use Threads app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.